Hi, my name is Chef Rahul Wali. Welcome to my LifePage. Today, I will talk about professional cooking. As for myself, I've done my diploma in hotel management from Pune, graduate diploma in gastronomy from Adelaide, South Australia. I've also have an experience of 17 years working in multiple hotels in India and abroad. Presently, I'm running my own cafe by name of Rahul's Kitchen in Dehradun. Basically, cooking in any commercial kitchen is professional cooking. It means producing products which are sold at different ranges of clients. It could be from a dhaba to a five-star hotel to a resort. And any food that's coming out from a five-star hotel, flight kitchen, cafes, restaurants, these are all professional cookings. Theory of cooking. It gives you an introduction to theory of cooking. Basically, it tells you that what basic knowledge you need to have, like what cuts of vegetables are used, how to use the vegetables, and what kind of combinations of vegetables you can have. What are different cuts of meats? How are the meats used? What different kinds of cooking like glazing, roasting, braising, etc. You should know how to manage your staff. You have to know how to make a roster for them. You have to know what kind of utensils you need to your cooking. You have to know how you're going to plan your work, how you're going to do your mise en place, where you're going to get your raw materials from, and how you're going to store them, how you're going to use them. Since you are going to interact with a lot of international chefs as colleagues, and maybe juniors, seniors, and even your clientele who may be walking into your five-star hotels or restaurants could be from different part of the world. So your networking becomes very strong. You have to have a good networking. One of them is, which everyone complains about, which I don't feel as a complaint, it's long working hours. Yes, there are long working hours. You have to work for at least 12 hours, 15 hours, 16 hours, or maybe more than that. But what is the end result? The end result is you're getting experience, you're getting the knowledge, you're getting, acquainted with a lot more, which a person working for 9-to-5 job may not get. So that is, you have to look at the positive side of it. You have to look at the things which will help you grow. So I don't see long working hours as a hurdle. It's hectic. You get tired. You want to leave at some time. It gets on you, but you have to keep going. The passion should be there to keep going. Working in a hotel, it becomes a part of your life because you are there most of the time. Your staff is there working with you. You have the best staff. You have people who enjoy with you. You have people who work with you. So that becomes a part of your family because most of the time you're at the hotel or restaurants other than, you just go home to sleep and probably just, take a power nap and come back. So it does make the hotel or restaurant staff your family. So it helps. You motivate each other during the work. You take care of each other. And when you come back to your family, obviously. I hope I have been able to give you a balanced view of professional cooking. And I hope you guys, think about it logically, looking at all the things that I have said. And I wish you all a good luck. Thank you.